Unlock Croptober's harvest secrets. Croptober is the nickname cannabis growers use for the fall harvest season. It happens every year around October, when outdoor cannabis plants naturally finish flowering and are ready to be harvested. Signs your plants are ready to be harvested include trichome, pistil, and leaf color. When trichomes are clear, it means the cannabis plant is not ready for harvest yet, as the cannabinoids are still developing. When the trichomes turn milky or cloudy, THC levels are near their peak, making this the ideal time to harvest for most growers who want maximum potency and a balanced high. As trichomes turn amber, the THC begins breaking down into CBN, resulting in a more relaxing and sedative couch lock effect. When looking at the pistils, wait until they are mostly orange and curled up to harvest. Cut branches or whole plants, trim excess leaves, and hang in a dark, cool, ventilated area to dry for 7 to 14 days before curing. Harvest with confidence, and let your timing unlock the best yield. Remember, early harvest yields weak potency and flavor, while late harvest risks cannabinoid loss and mold damage. Use these strategies to make the most of Croptober's peak and achieve the highest quality harvest possible.